Good morning, guys. Hayden here with I-5 Chrysler Jeep Dodge Ram. Going to be showing you where to find the Torx toolkit so that you are able to take the doors and the top off of your 22 Jeep Gladiator. Alrighty, most important thing you're going to need for this is your Torx toolkit, which you can find in the glove box of any new Jeep. It's two different heads, so two different attachments for the two types of bolts on the vehicle. On the doors, on the inside and the outside, there are going to be two different types of bolts. So here on the inside of the door, as well as on the outside of the door. Same thing for the rear, outside of the door, right in here, it looks like. For your roof, these ones are going to be all along the interior lining of your headboard. So bolt, bolt. And there's also going to be them on the other side. And for taking the top off, the most important bolts are going to be here. Front left, front right panel. Same with right here. Front left or back left and back right panel. And coming to this side, you can see the same bolts here. And the other very nice thing that Jeep does is they actually made an entire kind of little case down here to put all the bolts in for the side and the doors, and a little cover. Thank you guys so much for your time. That was where to find the Torx toolkit, as well as where the bolts are to take off your doors and the top of the Jeep Gladiator. Thank you for your time and have a wonderful day.